today we are going to learn the lesson about our skeletal system. Okay, in a term to first lesson, our skeletal system. So take the correct sentences. Our body works like a machine. We can see the heart and the lungs in our body. Okay, we can see this? No. Our body is made up of 206 bones of different shapes and sizes. We can move our elbow and knee in all directions. Yes or no? Our bones control all our actions like seeing and walking. Okay, so we have to take the correct sentences here. Okay, and next, think of the things a computer can do now. Think of all the things you can do. Is it? You list much longer. Okay, that means the computers are doing many things. So the think of the things a computer can do. Now think of all the things you can do. That means the relation between the computer and the human being. That means what the things the computer is doing, we are doing. So we have to make a list. Our body is more efficient than any human-made machine. Now think of all the functions that your body performs and so many of them at the same time. How do we hear? How do we see? How does our heart beat? How is our food digest? That means here one by one we are knowing about our organ system. That means how we can see with the help of eyes, how we can hear with the help of ears, how does the heart beat from the heart, and the food digested from the digestive system, and how do we remember things. Let us understand how our body works. Okay, now we are going to know about this all the things now. Okay, now organ system. Okay, our body is made up of many parts of which performs special functions like lungs, the heart, the kidneys, and are the sum of the major organs of our body. That means these are the main special functions. That means the lungs, heart, kidneys. So without this, the body cannot work. These are the major organs, and these organs have to work like a team in order to keep the body fit. So if we want to keep fit, that means we have to take the healthy food. Why? Because without kidneys can we? No. Heart. Okay, can we live? Without lungs we can't breathe. So we have to keep our major organs of our body fit and healthy. And amazing working together, they made our body an efficient machine. A group of organs together makes upon an organ system. For example, the digestive system helps in the digestion of food. That means what the food we are taking, it is digested with the help of this digestive system. Okay, and next, muscular system. That means our knees and our muscles are strong and gives us a strength. The nervous system controls the work of the internal organs and our movement and even our thoughts and emotions. Okay, here we are going to know that the muscular system keeps the muscles strong and the nervous system controls the works of internal organs. Okay, and next, the circulatory system. Okay, the circulatory and the respiratory and the reproductive system perform their own special functions. Okay, here we are knowing a different type of systems we have: circulatory system, respiratory system, reproductive system, okay, and organ system. So our body is working like a machine with the help of this all the parts. In there, the first one is a skeleton. That means without the skeleton, the human body can't framework. Okay, see, the human skeleton is a framework of bones. This framework of bones encloses and protects all the internal organs and gives support. That means these bones are covering our body and all the internal organs and giving support. strength and shape to our body. An adult human has a 206 bones of different size and shapes in his body. That means the person is having a 206 bones, and the bones are in different shapes and sizes. Here we can see. The human skeleton consists of the skull, the backbone, the rib cage, and the two parts of limbs. The forelimbs or the arms and the hind limbs or legs. These limbs are attached to two pairs of girdles and shoulder girdle and the hip girdle respectively. So in this skeleton system we can see skull, shoulder, okay, girdle, rib cage, backbone, hip bridge and femur. So in the next class we can know all these parts briefly. Okay, na children.